What's good, goats? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be installing a 3-piece diffuser, and also we're going to be installing the new tips from ARM Motorsports. So with no further ado, let's hop right into this video. So, got the stock diffuser off, and that's exactly how it looks right down there. So before I put the new diffuser on, I'm gonna try to take these tips off just so it makes my life a little bit easier. So I'll put the new tips on, then put the diffuser on instead of doing it backwards, because the stock diffuser is already off. So might as well just take it off while I'm at it. So let's do that. Alright, so the way I see people take these exhaust tips off, they get a piece of block and a mallet, and they just put the block behind the tip and just knock it off. But I don't know if this is gonna be able to do it, so let's try it. Alright, so I'm done now. I got the tips off. I don't know if you guys can see. I think they actually painted these. So I think they painted these because if you actually look, the paint is coming off a little bit. They still did look nice. So they're off now. Let's get a comparison to the new ones. All right. So these are the new tips from ARM. Let me get them all out for you guys. That's the comparison right there. So if I line them up side by side, that's how they look. So yeah, let's put them on. Now for right now, I'm just lining them up because once I put the diffuser on, I'm gonna be able to extend them out so it'll look a lot better. So I'm just placing them on right now. So we can have them like that. Time for this bad boy.
Yeah, this made that beat, I'ma rock with it.
So real quick, here's the issue that I am having currently. So this is the side skirt. This bolt right here bolts up perfectly fine, but the rest of them, let me move this out the way. The rest of them does not line up at all. So if I move this out the way, you guys see there's a bolt here and a bolt here. When I move this back, that bolt, which is right here where my finger is, does not line up with the hole that's all the way down here. So this the hole, this the bolt. And for reference, the second bolt is right here. These two are bolts. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna move it back just a little bit, just so that it lines up with the edge of the car, like that. And I'm gonna send some bolts in this motherfucker, yes sir. So this is how the baby look right now. Everything look peachy. Creams, yeah man. All right, let's do the other side now. Alright, so we finished the whole back. I did have to drill in some screws on the sides right here and right here. I put the exhaust on so they're completely on, so they don't move now. But I don't know, something about this rear end, it don't look right to me. I don't know if I messed up something. I don't know if this is how it's supposed to look. I mean, it looked good from afar, but like over here, it looks like it's out just a little bit more than over here. But then again, I don't know. It just might be my OCD kicking in. I don't fucking know. But the shit look good. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. Go downstairs, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DiversDJ. And I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Y'all be safe, you hear me? Peace.